everyone, welcome back. Today we are making this beautiful and creamy lobster and shrimp mac and cheese. Guys, this is right here. This one is not just your regular mac and cheese. I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's start with this creamy cheesy sauce. This is where all the flavor begins. Guys, look at this. I'm using a mix of cheese to make it extra rich and creamy. You want this nice and smooth. Let's put a hint of salt. Look at this lobster and shrimp. This is what's going to take this mac and cheese to the next level. I'm cutting the seafood bite size, but this one is going to be cut a little bigger because it's going on top of the mac and cheese at the end. These shrimp are also going on the top. It's time to cook the seafood. This is special for the seafood lovers. Mac and cheese loaded with lobster and shrimp. We're going to let it cook for about 3 minutes. This is the shrimp on water that comes in the bag, about 2 ounces. This seafood is pre-cooked, about 3 minutes. Now let's get this panko topping ready to make the mac and cheese extra crunchy. I have here a tablespoon of butter and I'm just spreading about 6 ounces of the panko. Also a teaspoon of all-base seasoning. Let's just go ahead and mix it all together, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on the stove to heat it up. Now let's go ahead and mix the macaroni with the nice cheese creamy sauce. I used 1 pound of macaroni and I left it al dente because again this is going to cook a little more in the oven, so we don't want to make them too soft. Well, this is good, nice. Guys, look at that. It's just nice and creamy. So we're all set with this part. Let's go ahead and put this dish together to put it in the oven. Let's go ahead and combine the seafood with the pasta. Then we're going to go ahead and mix it all together, and we will be transferring to a baking pan to go in the oven. Wow, this is looking good. It smells beautiful. Can't wait to eat it. Yes. It's time to transfer to the baking pan. This is the fun part. Just putting the seafood on top of the pasta. It's looking wonderful. Now let's go ahead and sprinkle some breadcrumb on top. This is up to taste, guy. I love the breadcrumb. My husband does too. We love the crunchiness of it and the crispiness, so I'm going to be putting a lot of it. But again, it's up to taste. You guys decide how much you want. Okay, it's time to put this dish in the oven. The oven being preheated on 350, and I'm going to be putting it in for about 30 to 35 minutes or until I see that the top is nice and golden. So that I want to make sure I get nice and crispy, especially the breadcrumbs. So you guys keep an eye on it and use your judgment. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful dish. It came out awesome. Nice, golden, creamy, and loaded with seafood, macaroni, and cheese. Let's look and see. Let's see how this look. Ooh. Let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. Delicious, delicious. Guys, I hope you try it. And if you do, please let me know what you think in the comment box. Thank you so much for your support, for your time, for being here. I appreciate you all. I'm dressed like this because I just came from church and I want to say happy Easter to you all. Before you go, if you like this video, please watch the next video. You're going to love it. So, God bless. Let's eat.